The U.S. Navy is making a bold move to modernize its carrier operations. A staggering $590 million contract has been awarded to Bell and Boeing for the production of 5 advanced CMV-22B Osprey aircraft. But why is the Navy investing so heavily in this aircraft? And what makes it a game changer for military logistics? Let's dive in. This major contract was officially announced on the 21st of March, marking a significant step toward enhancing the Navy's carrier-based supply missions. Unlike traditional aircraft, the CMV-22B isn't just another transport plane. It's built for the future of warfare logistics. The aircraft are expected to be completed by 2028, with work taking place across several locations in the United States, from Texas to Pennsylvania and New York. For decades, the C-2A Greyhound has handled the Navy's Carrier Onboard Delivery (COD) missions. But as technology advances, the need for a more versatile and efficient aircraft has become clear. That's where the CMV-22B Osprey steps in. What makes the CMV-22B truly unique is its tiltrotor design. Unlike traditional cargo planes that require long runways, this aircraft takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter, yet flies with the speed and range of a turboprop plane. This hybrid capability allows it to rapidly transport personnel, supplies, and mission-critical cargo directly to aircraft carriers, even in contested or remote environments where traditional runways are unavailable. The CMV-22B isn't just replacing the C-2A, it's revolutionizing the way the Navy handles logistics. One of its key roles will be transporting F-35 power modules, ensuring that America's most advanced fighter jets remain mission-ready at all times. This aircraft will be the backbone of naval operations, ensuring critical equipment reaches where it's needed, fast. The production of these aircraft will be a massive undertaking, with work being carried out across multiple facilities in the United States. This ensures high-quality manufacturing while supporting thousands of jobs across the country. With an initial investment of $132.1 million from the 2024 defense budget, the project is already in motion. And with the Naval Air Systems Command overseeing the contract, everything is expected to stay on track for completion by 2028. The CMV-22B Osprey has already proven its worth. In 2021, it completed its first operational deployment with Carrier Air Wing 2, marking a successful transition to modernized logistics. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, this aircraft ensures uninterrupted supply chains, even in the most challenging maritime environment. With its unmatched versatility and advanced design, the CMV-22B Osprey is set to redefine the Navy's logistics game. But what do you think? Will this aircraft be the key to future carrier operations? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more defense updates.